driver for today's Ram Track experience, and today we're riding in a Ram 2500 Power Wagon. Now the Power Wagon is an off-road ready pickup truck from Ram Trucks, and so a lot of what we're going to talk about today will focus on this off-roading capability. For example, I have electronic sway bar disconnect. At a push of a button, I'm able to disconnect the sway bars of this truck, which enables the wheels to travel further up into the wheel well or extend down, trying to maintain contact with the ground. So we're going to swing on through here. The next area that we're going to go into is the ground clearance area, where we're showcasing the standard 10.4 inches of ground clearance that you're going to get with the Ram Power Wagon. But along with that great ground clearance, I also have skid plates up underneath the vehicle to protect my oil pan and transfer case so that nothing comes into contact with those precious components. In our stability section here, we're showcasing our use of advanced high-strength steel. 98% of this vehicle's frame is made of advanced high-strength steel, so that means that the vehicle is going to resist twisting and flexing underneath its own weight. The next section we're going to go through is the traction section. In the traction section, we're showcasing that 6.4 liter Hemi V8 that's up underneath the hood, producing 410 horsepower and 429 foot-pounds of torque, made it to our 8-speed transmission here. For 2026, Ram is also going to offer the Cummins Turbo Diesel in this truck, which is something that's brand new and people have been asking about for a long time. Another great feature of my Ram here is our hill descent control function. What that means is at a push of a button, I can use the vehicle's transmission to bring us down this grade. My foot's not on the brake, and if I want to speed it up, I'll just use my gear limiter buttons there, and they'll allow the vehicle to roll a little quicker down the hill. Now we're going to go ahead and swing this back to the beginning. Any questions I can answer for anyone?
We got floor models delivering in the next couple of days.
How much do we have?
We got the two rejuvenators.
What's weird is it's just eyes on a blinking or
Trust.
tightening up right now. I won't come this morning. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Portillo, they following us. Oh, this is
Smell one? Smell one? Here you go.
It's so good.